As I bow my head in prayer, I say, Lord, watch over me. Help me to be all that I can be. Lord, watch over me. Please, I pray, Lord, oh dear Lord, Lord, watch over me. When I know I die, heaven waits for me. Lord, Lord, watch over me. Lord, Lord, I want to be free to see, to choose the way. Lord, watch over me. Give me strength to see day to day. Lord, watch over me. Lord, Lord, I want to be free to choose the way. Lord, watch over me. Keep my soul clean and let me help my fellow man. Lord, watch over me.
Because I miss you, and this is all I wanna say. I guess I miss you, beautiful. These few words have said it all. You know I miss you. I think about you when you're gone. I guess I miss you, nothing's wrong. I don't mean to carry on. Give me a reason why I can't concentrate. The world is turning upside down, spinning round and round. Now give me a reason why I now understand the beauty and simplicity of everything surrounding me. Well, you got a way of spreading magic everywhere. Anywhere I go, I know you're always there. It sounds ridiculous, but when you leave a room, there's a part of me that just wants to follow you too. Because I miss you, and this is all I wanna say. I guess I miss you, beautiful. These 3 words have said it all. You know